Good morning. It is Tuesday, December 25th. Merry Christmas, y'all. I decided to take a break from the cleaning and come treat myself to the river. See if I can't catch myself a jumbo perch or steelhead for Christmas. It's snowing. There's snow on the ground. Clean up your shoreline so we got something as beautiful as this kicking around for future generations. For future generations. Yeah, I only come out for an hour. Figured everyone's still sleeping. I just want to come down here, toss a worm, maybe a bug. See if I can't hook up with a good old jumbo perch on Christmas. We got a nice little doe right here in the bush. Doe right me on Christmas, baby. Hi, baby girl. How you doing? Do you want to come see Uncle Bill? See that? That's awesome. I'm not even in the bush for 5 minutes. I got myself a beautiful little doe right here. She don't even care that I'm here. Hi, baby. See you later, Whitey. Isn't that just awesome? Like, that's a Christmas present in itself for me. Merry Christmas. The fish gods, Mother Nature, they appreciated me cleaning up. Gave me a little show from a female white-tailed deer. A couple years back, I had my friend do a couple stories for me in Canadian sport fishing in Bigman. I was fishing down here in this hole for some jumbo perch, steelhead, and me and my cousin, father-in-law, we all come down here tossing some worms, some spinner baits. We're catching some decent 10, 11, 12-inch perches. And then I come up here to the back corner where we're heading to now. And I said to them, hey guys, listen. I said, this is a trout creek. You gotta be quiet. The bass in your voice is usually enough to scare off the trout. I said, so when we get to the last 100 yards, I want you to like tiptoe and not talk. And literally, I actually managed to get them to tiptoe and not talk. And on my third cast, I hooked up with a rainbow trout. And then again, I come here another time with my cousin Liz, and we tiptoed to the back. And the same thing, man, 3 casts, and I hooked up with a nice rainbow trout. Gorgeous day for fishing it was. It was December, and we were wearing t-shirts because it was plus 15. Back in the day, the path used to go over here and around those trees, and that's where I made them tiptoe from like over there to the river. Now, I guess that part got all mushy and squished out from rain and mud, and we're in a floodplain, right? Deer created the path. Now, back in the day, I used to kayak for trout in here, and we would tie kayaks up right here and toss in along here, catch rainbows. It's been a long time though, long time. So, I forget to fish at all. I gotta stop talking loud. I gotta get where I'm at here. See if I can't pop myself a rainbow. A snow bow for Christmas. That's what I want, a snow bow for Christmas. Anyways, I'm gonna get set up. Good morning. Merry Christmas. down here at the creek, try and catch myself a couple jumbo perch. These worms are so old, let's just hope they got some stank left. He's moving though. Beautiful out here. Hello, my love. Well, I'm taking a couple casts in the snow.
I thought you weren't going.
No, I said I wasn't going to clean the bay.
No, you said you weren't going at all.
Well, I changed my mind. It's snowing. I got what I wanted for Christmas.
Where did you go?
Well, okay, just...
Open up my present.
Hello, just let me take 10 minutes of casting with my spinner bait. I've only been here for 10 minutes. I seen a deer this morning. It was awesome.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
I love you too. It's snowing for Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Okay, Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Love you, bye. Well, the wifey calls and says, hurry up, get home. I want to open my present. All I want to do is fish for Christmas. So, I got 10 minutes. I got to switch out my battery here. I'm going to put on switch myself over to a MEPS number 2. The same one I caught my rainbow on in the fall. It's now winter time. Can't see if I can't get myself a nice rainbow trout for Christmas. Because all I want for Christmas is a snowboat. give the worm in just in case I'm hungry. Normally I would direct tie this because using the swivel and a spinner bait generally makes your line twist. But I don't know how much more days of open water I got left. So I lined up the swivel and my spinner bait. Let's see if we can't get that Merry Christmas snow bow. To all my friends and family out there in Facebook land, love you. Merry Christmas. It's snowing. See if I can't catch that rainbow. No way! I got the snowbow! I got my snowbow! Holy smokes! On my third cast! Oh my god! Oh my god! Merry Christmas, folks! I literally got my snowbow. Holy smokes! Holy smokes! That's my first ever snowbow! That's my first ever snowbow, baby! My first ever Christmas! Merry Christmas! I got a rainbow on. My heart is pumping, guys. Come on, stop. Yeah, baby. Merry Christmas, folks. I got myself a beautiful rainbow trout on Christmas, on camera, video to come soon. Wow. Wow, folks. Today was just special. This is due to all my cleaning that I've done down at the bay. The fish gods have blessed me with a beautiful snowbow on Christmas. There he goes. Yeah, baby. I am so freaking excited right now. My heart's pumping. Merry Christmas. Peace. I love y'all. Do the fish dance. Do the fish dance. I told the wifey 10 minutes. 5 minutes, 45 seconds. Baby, I did it. I got my first ever snowbow. I'm so excited. Live release on camera. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's. I can't wait to fish with you. If you take the time out of your day to do a little bit of a shoreline cleanup, you might be able to hook up with something as beautiful as what I just hooked up with on Christmas in the snow. I mean, wow. Wow. I am so beyond stoked right now. I'm going home. I'm not even going to take another cast. Merry Christmas, folks.